guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. I'm quite excited about it, but to be honest, I don't have any IT background. I'm not in the tech industry currently, so it's gonna be challenging for me to learn new stuff in technology, but I believe that it's gonna help me to upscale and find jobs here in Canada. So join me as I prepare for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. So guys, I actually enrolled in Udemy, which is an online learning platform. And they do have this AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course. It has around 290 sections that I have to finish so that I'll be able to understand the AWS Cloud. And hopefully it's gonna help me really to prepare for the certification. Yeah, so join me as I go through this course. Hi guys, so for today I'm going to study again AWS. Still in Udemy. I'm continuing the sections that I have not completed yet. And yeah, so come and join me again for today's study session. So, hi guys, so right now I'm in the database and analytics section. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna study all of this and then do hands-on as well. So what's good about this Udemy AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course is that they will have lessons, and then there will be hands-on in between so that I'll be able to understand, um, yeah, have deeper understanding of how it works really in the system. So yeah, it's actually good. And in Udemy, each section has around 30 to 2 hours to finish its section. So per day, I'm able to finish like around 1 to 2 sections. And yeah, that's my study hours and my progress on how I do the studying in the Udemy course for this certification. So databases, storing data on disk like EFS, EBS, EC2 instance store, or S3 can have its limits. So sometimes you want to store data in database and you can structure the data. You build indexes to efficiently query or search through the data, and you define relationships between your data sets. So databases are optimized for a purpose and come with different features, shapes, and constraints. So guys, I'm just gonna share to you my current setup as I study AWS. So this is my desk, and yeah, my laptop and keyboard, mouse. I also have water in there, and also I'm facing our porch, which has a very good lighting, natural light, and I really like that whenever I study. So I really want it to be bright as possible. So yeah, like that, and I do have my, you know, little organizer in there, and yeah, this is my current setup. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna study AWS again. Today is Thursday, and I do have a class. By the way, I'm a full-time student here in Canada. I'm taking up postgraduate certificate in business management. It's a 2-year program. So yeah, I'm in my third semester. And yeah, I'm also studying AWS to upskill so that once I graduate in August this year, so I'll be able to, find jobs, hopefully. And yeah, and also I'm gonna add the AWS certification. If I pass the certification, I'm gonna put it in my resume as well. So I'm preparing for that. And yeah, so my class, I do have a night class later. It's 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So today is, right now is 1:30 p.m. So I'm gonna study like around 1 hour and then take my lunch and prepare for school. I'm gonna also read some modules for our class today. So yeah, that's it for today's study session. And yeah, join me again. So cloud formation is a declarative way of outlining your AWS infrastructure for any resources. And benefits of cloud formation, that would be infrastructure as code, so no resources are manually created, which is excellent for control, and the changes to the infrastructure are reviewed through code. So guys, I'm done with the hands-on about cloud formation, CodeStar, and Beanstalk. Chuck in the Beanstalk. And yeah, it's really hard. I'm really confused right now. I don't know what I'm actually doing during the hands-on. I'm just following the instruction, and I got caught up in the middle of the hands-on. So I have to like rewind it and review it before I can proceed to the next steps. And yeah, it's quite hard. I don't know if I fully understand the infrastructure about the CodeStar and Cloud9 and the Beanstalk. And yeah, it's I'm struggling. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned today that my background is in sales. I've been doing business development and account management for 6 years, so definitely this is very different from what I used to do, the AWS. So yeah, it's really hard. I'm really struggling, and I think I need to review it again. I'm gonna do another hands-on. I'm gonna repeat the hands-on for CodeStar and Cloud9 and Beanstalk so that I'll understand it and review some of the theories behind it. So yeah, right now what I'm going to do is take my lunch and prepare for my class later. Yeah, I have a class. And yeah, I think that's it for my study session for today. Hi guys. So I'm gonna study with my husband today because I told you earlier that I'm struggling with studying. Hopefully, this is gonna help. Like if you have someone who's also studying with you, hopefully it will be more motivating, and I can ask him questions because he knows AWS, but he skipped the initial part, which is the AWS certification for Cloud Practitioner. So because he thinks he's good at it. Good enough. So guys, we're doing the demo for the cloud formation and Cloud9, and this is the hands-on for this demo project, and we uh deploy it in GitHub. Yeah, push. Yeah.
Look at that.
Gusto mo naka-record kaya yon? Ang sabi mo, very strict sa mga code ko, tapos it doesn't really matter.
Let me explain. Let me explain.
No,